Kamakhya. In the wake of heated debate surrounding Kerala Story 2, director Kamakhya Narayan Singh is with us now to share his vision behind the movie. Thank you, Mr. Singh, for speaking to NDTV. You've said that your movie should be seen as social commentary, something that families should watch together to become more aware. But just the trailer has created quite an uproar, because I just saw Kerala Tourism has put out a post saying that Kerala does not have beef with anyone. But more importantly, Kerala's Chief Minister has accused you of spreading false propaganda. And they have said that you've portrayed even marriages with mutual consent as examples of communalism. How would you respond to such criticism?
First, whatever we have shown in the film is truth. I would request Kerala Chief Minister to check the facts. If anything is wrong, he can take us to the court. We have done deep research, got all the cases, understood all the cases for last 3-4 years. This film, Kerala Story 2, is basically about Kerala and then how it's spreading all over the country. So I don't think so anything wrong we have shown, anything false we have shown. Every scene in the film and the trailer is based on the true events.
No, when you say that, sir, you know the trailer, and I must admit, I haven't seen the film. From the trailer that we have watched so far, the sense is that this is a film that tends to villainize one particular community, fuel a particular political narrative that spreads hate and fear against a particular community. That's the key allegation that was made against Kerala Story 1, and that's the sense that one gets from the trailer of Kerala Story 2.
First, in Kerala Story 1, the stories we had shown, we had brought the victims to the camera. Second, in Kerala Story 2, what we are showing, we have done the research, we have the FIRs, we have the judgments, we have the news reports, everything in place. So we know what we are speaking the truth. If we are not speaking in the truth, if you can check your news channels, you can check all the news channels. Every day there is a news report on Love Jihad. How does it happen?
The accusation, sir, is that a few cases is being turned into a larger portrayal to villainize a particular community. There are radical elements and nobody is disputing that. But a few cases is being blown up to make it look like stereotyping or villainizing a particular community. That's the accusation.
Will you
हमेशा से हिंदुओं को बांटने की कोशिश की गई है, और इसमें जितने भी 3-4 सेक्शंस है उसको विलेनाइज किया जा रहा है, बट किसी को आज तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ। इनके अनुसार 3-4 केसेस को ब्लोन आउट किया जा रहा है, और 3-4 केसेस को इग्नोर कर देना चाहिए। भाई, अगर मौत धोखा एक आदमी का भी होता है तो गलत है, तो ये तो कहना बंद करना चाहिए हर किसी को कि बार 1-2 हुआ है, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि नहीं। और जब डायरेक्टर और मूवी बनाने वाले कह रहे हैं कि उनके पास प्रूफ है, तो जिनको भी इस फिल्म से प्रॉब्लम है वो जाए, कोर्ट जाए, केस करे। ठीक है, आइए आगे देखते हैं।
will you Jangur Baba's case or Kaleem Siddiqui's case? Kaleem Siddiqui is sentenced by court. Jangur's case, would you define that it's only for one person or two person? He has tried to trap thousands of girls. There is an FIR there. So how can you say the Jim Jihad case? How can you say that it's only 1 or 2 person doing it? It's an organized crime. We need to accept it. If we do not accept the truth, it will be a big problem. This is what we want to talk in the film.
Okay. Mr. Singh, I watched the trailer and it shows men not just from Kerala but from Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Muslim men depicted as monsters. You know, they're misleading women, acting as part of a conversion network, even soliciting them for other men, raping them. There's also this mention of lakhs of Hindu women, including, women of all castes being targets here. Where is all this data coming from? Many will see this as an attempt to spread mistrust against one community, spread fear against the other communities. Have you been a responsible storyteller? Are you confident of that?
All my life, I have been a responsible storyteller. It is not about the community. It's about a section of people who are doing that. we are against them. We are against those terrorists. We are against those criminals who are doing that.
जितनी चिंता इनको हो रही है अभी इन चीजों पे, और आप अगर बॉलीवुड के की सारी फिल्में देखें तो उसमें कैसे ब्राह्मण को, भूमियार को, राजपूत को या हिंदू धर्म के कुछ सेक्शन को कैसे विलेन दिखाया गया है शुरू से लेके आज तक, आपको पता चल ही जाएगा। और आपने देखा भी होगा, आपने हो सकता है कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया हो, लेकिन आपने देखा ही होगा। तो इनकी इस बात की चिंता कभी नहीं हुई। लेकिन अगर केरला स्टोरी में वो दिखाया जा रहा है, सही गलत तो जिनको पता है उनको पता है, जिनको नहीं पता है वो जीते रहे सगुफे में। बट इनको इस बात की देखिए कितनी चिंता है। लेकिन पूरे हिस्टोरिकल आप आज़ादी के बाद से देख लीजिए कैसे हिंदू धर्म के कुछ सेक्शन को विलन दिखाया गया है, विलन बनाया गया है। इनको कभी किसी को इस पे चिंता नहीं हुई कि भाई किसी एक सेक्शन को क्यों आप विलन बना रहे हैं, है ना। लेकिन इस पे देखिए कितनी चिंता उभर उभर के आ रही है, कितनी तरीके से डायरेक्टर को गिल्ट फील कराने की कोशिश की जा रही है इनके द्वारा। आइए देखते हैं।
And you cannot.
You see, the problem is,
Yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. When you say that, and you're making a very important point there, you are saying you are against a section and not the community as a whole.
Yes,
But some would
definitely.
say that the popular narrative of this film is one that feeds into a particular political agenda, A, and B, one that stereotypes and puts fear in the mind of several people in a generation about a particular community overall.
Talking about social issues when that has become political agenda. If you talk about poverty, is it a political agenda? If your daughters are in problems, are trapped into a mission to make India a Gajwai Hind, is it a propaganda? Not at all. It's a truth. You will have to accept it. We cannot close our eyes and say everything is fine. There are problems. We'll have to accept it.
Okay, Mr. Singh, my concern is also about women. You know, when you call women potential targets or urge families to be more careful, aren't you sending out a message that women are gullible, they cannot make right decisions, they can be trapped easily? This undermines women's autonomy, confidence and freedom. I get your point that, you know, nobody deserves a miserable life, parents are responsible, but this in some ways also take women's lives backward and will in some ways tell parents to control their daughters, isn't it?
Not at all. Not at all. I don't say that. I don't say that.
इसमें कंट्रोल करने की क्या बात है। इसमें तो सिर्फ यही बताया जा रहा है कि भाई आप जागरूक रहें। भाई आप शादी कर रहे हैं तो शादी पूरी जिंदगी के लिए होती है, ठीक है। जरूरी नहीं है कि सारे लोग जो भी शादी कर रहे हैं वो लव जिहादी कर रहे हैं या जो भी कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जाम्पल हैं, शहनवाज हुसैन हो गए और बहुत सारे ऐसे एग्जाम्पल है जिन्होंने शादी की। प्रॉब्लम तो उनसे है ना जो शादी करते हैं राम के नाम पे और निकलते हैं रहमान, बाद में लड़की को पता चलता है। गलती तो वहां है ना भाई। आपको शादी है, प्यार है, क्लियर कट बोलिए मैं मुस्लिम हूँ या मैं हिंदू हूँ, ऐसे करके बोलिए, फिर शादी कीजिए। भाई शादी में धोखेबाजी का ही तो प्रॉब्लम है कि आप शादी से पहले कुछ और है, शादी के बाद कुछ और हो जाते हैं। शादी के पहले बहुत लिबरल है और शादी के बाद आप बहुत चेंज हो जाते हैं, मार पिटाई करते हैं। बहुत सारी चीज ऐसे हुई हैं, केसेस ऐसे हुए हैं जिसमें बहुत गलत किया गया है लोगों के साथ शादी के बाद। तो भाई बात तो उसकी है ना। ओवरऑल ये नहीं कहा जा रहा है कि भाई कोई इस धर्म का व्यक्ति उस धर्म से शादी नहीं कर सकता या उस धर्म का व्यक्ति इस धर्म से शादी नहीं कर सकता। ऐसी बात नहीं है। जिसको जिससे प्यार है, जिससे लगाव है, उससे शादी करे। लेकिन ये धोखेबाजी को उजागर करना बहुत जरूरी है, चाहे कोई किसी के साथ कर रहा हो।
Women are weak, but see, you have to understand there are people even in the male among the males also. There are at point of time you are emotionally weak, and that can be used as a tool. Women, because they are the fundamentalists think that women are family tree. They will help them to grow their population. They will help them to change the demography of this country.
No, what
So
is
that
this
is why
them?
I
You see,
am
this
not
is
against.
The problem, sir, is the use of the word them. And I have somebody from Kerala who I was talking to about the story, a senior journalist who sent across a question to me saying, A, why is it this named as a Kerala story? Why can it not be named as an India story? Is it only to fuel a political narrative at election season in Kerala? A. And B, again, the constant stereotyping of it is what worries people.
Not at all. First, Kerala Story 2 is spiritual sequel of Kerala Story 1. When we see, I'm a documentary filmmaker. I understand cinema as a tool of communication. When we started Kerala Story 1, people started talking about what is happening in the society. So now we have named the film as Kerala Story 2 Goes Beyond. What we had shown in Kerala Story 1, people in Rajasthan, people in Maharashtra, people in Bihar, people in Assam, they were talking, no, it might be a case in Kerala. Now we are telling them that it's everywhere. I was talking to a police official, I cannot name him. He said, Kamakhya, every city has this problem. We want to highlight that. We do not want our daughters to get in the hands of fundamentalists. We do not want our daughters to die. We do not want our daughters.
Daughters are
who
not
liberals.
commodities,
We
right,
all,
sir?
as
Daughters are
Sanatani, we
not
liberals.
commodities. Daughters have their own brains. Will you? I mean, is it okay to assume that they don't
yes,
have?
Definitely, our daughters have their brains. Our sisters, they have their brains. I am not becoming a fundamentalist that they don't have brain. But few daughters, they have some weak emotional moments. And these people, they take the advantage of those moments. We want to tell people that be aware of that. I don't say that our girls are not intelligent enough.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही बात है। लड़कियाँ बहुत तेज होती हैं, बहुत बहुत स्मार्ट होती है, लेकिन धोखे से जब उनकी वीडियो बना ली जाती है, तो वो कुछ भी करती हैं, फिर उनको कुछ समझ नहीं आता है। तो ये लड़की को नीचा दिखाने या डिमीन करने की बात नहीं है, बस ये है कि भाई उनको समझाया जाए, संभाला जाए। भाई ज़रूरी नहीं है समाज में सिर्फ लड़कियों को थोड़े संभाला जाता है। आदमी बेटों को भी बोलता है, भाई वहाँ मत जाना, अच्छा जगह नहीं है, वहाँ मत जाना, वहाँ गंदे लोग रहते, बुरे लोग रहते। बात ये लड़का-लड़की की मनाने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है इसमें।
All right, you're making a point there, and I'll concede that point, but I want to ask you a very straight
I was
question.
told
There are
by a
several
police official, I
intercommunal
cannot quote that person. I was told by a police official.
No, you don't need
what
to
they
quote
do
that
is
person. I am
they-
asking you, there are many intercommunal marriages which are born out of love. Now, what is your message to young people who are watching to learn not to stereotype a particular community or a particular religion in this context and say that radical elements exist in every religion and every place that's there?
It is in mass. It's
Don't
a gang.
stereotype or
It's
see
a
the whole
gang.
thing as
It's
one.
not that only 2-3 people are doing it. It's a huge thing in every city now. We need to be aware about that.
Okay, Mr.
It's
Singh,
not. I am not saying that every interfaith marriage is wrong. But if interfaith marriage is done to convert the girl or to beget a child who becomes another religion, who goes to another religion.
No, when you say every city, what is the data you have, sir? Share any hard evidence that you have to prove that this is an enormously widespread phenomenon. Just prove, data-wise, that it's an enormously widespread phenomenon.
I have read 1,500 articles.
भाई तुम पत्रकार हो, मान लो वो गलत बोल रहा है, तुम जाके ढूंढो डेटा, तुम प्रूव करो उसको कि गलत है। पत्रकार तुम हो, डेटा उससे मांग रहे हो।
I have checked 80 FIRs. I have read about the FIR.
How many FIRs?
Operation Asmita, Jangur's case, Kaleem Siddiqui's case. There are numbers of cases from all over the country.
How many?
But
Give
it's
me
a
a
big
number.
country,
You are
sir.
journalist.
Give me a number, give me an exact number to show that it's a widespread phenomenon in a country of over 1 billion.
Why?
Give me a number and give me exact data.
See, exact data you cannot give.
But sir, even in
That
Kerala
data, how
Story
many
1,
houses
Mr.
have
Singh,
been tapped?
Kerala
You
Story
will not
1
be able
also
to-
there was
No.
there was an allegation that the number was exaggerated. 30,000 became 3 to
Absolutely.
4. How sure?
ये दो लोग मिलके जैसे देखिए दबाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बंदा ये बोल रहा है बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है, ये कुछ बोलता है उससे पहले ही 4 सवाल लेके पैदा कर दे। यही समाज में हो रहा है कि अगर कोई थोड़ा अलग बोलने की कोशिश करता है तो वैसे ही दबाया जाता है। इन दोनों को एटलीस्ट सुनना चाहिए कि अगला बंदा क्या बोल रहा है, और डेटा इससे क्या मांग रहे हो भाई? तुम पत्रकार हो, तुम जर्नलिस्ट हो, ढूंढो तुम डेटा, उसको गलत प्रूव करो।
Are you
I'm
that?
not doing that. Wait. 33,000. You just go and check the video where we have justified the 33,000 number. We have just, you need to check that. Every name has been mentioned there.
No, when
I
you
am
say it
saying
is
every
widespread, sir, there has to be concrete evidence to prove that it's
Yes.
widespread. What data? Give
Operation
me a
Asmita,
list
Operation
of cases.
Asmita was
that
done in eight states. It was spread in 8 states. Why don't you believe?
How many cases do you have?
Operation
How
Asmita
many
was done in
actual
8
cases
states. The
do you
racket was
have on
busted in 8
record on
states.
this?
Jangur's case was connected till Mumbai. How can you deny this fact?
No, I'm not
In Bhopal-
disputing one or two. I'm not disputing the cases that's there. I'm asking, how do you say that this is so widespread that this
Every
is a
state
nationwide
is reporting
phenomenon?
a case. Every state is reporting cases, number of.
Every state reporting one case doesn't make.
No. It's not one case. It's numbers of.
मतलब इस पत्रकार के लिए किसी एक लड़की से धोखा होता है तो सही है, वो गलत नहीं है। तो इसके कहने का मतलब यही लग रहा है भाई, किसी एक लड़की के साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा है तो वो भी गलत है ना। किसी एक लड़की का रेप किया जा रहा है, उसका धर्म परिवर्तन किया जा रहा है जबरदस्ती, वो गलत है। ये कैसे बोल सकते हो भाई? मान लो अगर वो तुमसे संबंधित हो तब भी तुम यही कहोगे कि भाई सिर्फ एक केस है। दूसरे के साथ हो रहा है तो तुम्हारे लिए सिर्फ एक केस है वो। जब अपने साथ होगा तब क्या सेम बात यही कहोगे कि सिर्फ एक केस है?
Cases. A small locality in Mumbai has 25 cases. But see, I cannot name them. You have to find those. I have done my basic research as a
No,
filmmaker.
you know,
I
I
am
think this
putting
is-
a question out there. Let people decide.
Okay, so let people decide
But
with
you're
that.
putting a question
All the best
by
to you,
also
Mr.
portraying
Singh.
a narrative.
Yes, we are completely
If I
against
am
the
wrong
boycott
on
of films.
my
We want your
data,
film to be
please
released.
go and check in every police
Absolutely.
stations. I will give you the FIRs. There are datas.
Okay.
There are people who are doing it. If you
Okay, there are people who are doing
Badhiya,
it, but
badhiya.
I'm not sure if every Muslim man is doing it, and that.
No,
needs
I'm
to
not
be
saying
told.
that. I have
वो तो
never
उसने
said
कहा
this.
नहीं भाई।
Okay.
I will never
But
say
I,
that.
it's a question of why.
Okay. Okay. Thank you,
अपने
Mr.
आप ही से
Singh,
कुछ
for
भी बोल
speaking
रहे
to
हो। उसने
ND
तो
TV
कहा ही
and
नहीं
for
है।
joining
particular
us.
stereotyping, some would argue, but of course there are
No,
multiple
not at all.
arguments
Not
here.
at all. Don't put
Vasudha.
no, don't put your word into my mouth.
No, absolutely, sir. And what is your larger message to society about your film? How would you
People
express
should be aware
intent
what
behind
is
moving
happening in the society. There's a conspiracy. We need to handle it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kamakhya Singh, for
बढ़िया भाई
speaking to
साहब।
NDTV, and all the best for your movie, sir. Thank